Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica. I know it has been forever since I filmed a video, and I really hate when I go on these long breaks, but it is what it is. A lot has been going on here at home, but things are starting to just calm down, so we are filming today. We are actually going to be unboxing the spring FabFitFun Box. It finally came in the mail, and I just wanted to go ahead and open it up with you guys so you guys can see what I got. I actually don't know everything that I got, so we'll be finding out together. So before we go ahead and get started with the video, if you guys don't know about FabFitFun Box, it is a quarterly subscription, so fall, winter, spring, and summer. So we are on a spring box right now, and it is just kind of like a catch-all subscription box. It's got beauty, skincare, lifestyle, fitness. It pretty much has a little bit of everything. You are able to customize your box, so you do get to pick and choose some of the items that you will be receiving so that it's a little bit more catered to your liking. If you buy them, I want to say monthly, but it's not monthly. If you buy them quarterly, you don't get to customize your box as much as if you were to buy the annual subscription. So if you go ahead and purchase the 4 boxes for the year up front, you do get to customize your box a little bit more than if you pay per box. I pay per box. I keep telling myself I'm going to pay for the year, and then I just don't end up doing it. Still doesn't matter. I absolutely love the products that come in the box, so I'm not that picky. But if you really want to make sure you get most of the items that would fit you best, then you're better off paying for the year. The box retails for $49.99. It is only quarterly. Definitely not going to break your bank or hurt your wallet or whatever. And then what's actually really great as well is that they do have add-ons. So they have a bunch of products, again, ranging from everything. I think even trips as well, if I'm not mistaken, that I've seen that on there at extremely discounted prices. So you can go ahead and add to your box. If you find something on there that you want, you'll get it at a discounted price and actually go ahead and ship it to you with your box, so you're not paying anything additional for shipping. Now, as always, I will go ahead and leave the links in the description box down below. That way, if you wanted to go ahead and check them out, get yourself a box, you can do so by clicking the link in the description box down below. But before I keep rambling on, let's go ahead and open up this box. So as you can see here, this is the spring box. It is this bright yellow with butterfly prints, so it's beautiful. And then down here, actually every box they go ahead and support an organization, and this time they are supporting Dress for Success. So that's actually really great about FabFitFun Box. Bright pink. And with every box, you go ahead and get a little booklet. This is going to go ahead and show you all of the products that you could have possibly gotten in your box. So you get to see what you could have customized with. It's basically like a little magazine. And I'm going to go ahead and get my little booklet here so that we can go ahead and see what were the other options. So up at top, it's what's in the box, and then it's highlighted for all the items that you can customize for all members. So all members are going to get a chance to customize these options in the box. So it's under this highlighted color. It's kind of like a tan color. And then select members, which is highlighted in yellow, are the ones who pay for the year. So they get to go ahead and customize the highlighted ones in yellow. And then we have FabFitFun Boxes Pick, which basically the company will go ahead and pick the items for you. So those are highlighted in green. So first up, I was super excited about this one. I was actually able to customize this one myself, and I am so glad that I was able to go ahead and pick this one out. This is the Revive Light Therapy Glow, Wrinkle, and Anti-Aging Light Device. And this is valued at $68. Your girl is getting old, gotta take care of my skin, and light therapy is so beneficial. It's obviously, you know, gonna just depend on which light you are using. Different lights helps you with different problems, so wrinkles, acne, firmness. So it actually comes with the batteries, so it's 3 AAA batteries, and just gonna pop them in at the bottom. And then you would just push the button right here. So I am super excited. I love that it's not huge and, you know, you can just, your problem areas. So definitely looking forward to trying this out. And then in case you guys wanted to know what else you could have gotten, you could have gotten a bag, a sweater, a rug, or these tie-dye bowls. So got the bag right here, the sweater, the rug, and the bowls down here. Of course, like I said, I picked the anti-aging product. So next up, again, this was another item that I was able to go ahead and customize in my box. Again, another skincare product to help with the aging process. This is the Rapid Collagen Infusion. This is from Murad. And this retails for $78. So definitely looking forward to go ahead and putting this on my face and just kind of slow down that aging process. So that's that. And then the other items you could have chosen from a set of packing cubes, an umbrella, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea moisturizer, or the highlight and contour palette, or the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiant Booster. I would have probably picked the 111 Skin booster, but by the time I actually went to go and customize my box, that one was completely sold out because I actually like their products, but they are freaking expensive. This one, this right here, is valued at $135. $135. So yeah, right. And then the last items that you were able to go ahead and customize, I actually opted for these amber seats. I think that's how you pronounce it. Amber seats double coin necklace. Now I absolutely love jewelry, and I think these are super cute. I love that they are double stacked, so definitely looking forward to wearing these. And these are retailed for $50. Other than that, it would have been between the gravity weighted sleep mask, the Way 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection, the Cosmetics Pure Sea, or the Green Goo Hibiscus Plant-Based Body Scrub. Now, I already have the Cosmetics Pure Sea, so obviously I wasn't going to go ahead and choose that. And for some reason, the other ones just didn't call my attention too much, and I just thought the necklace was really pretty, so I went ahead and chose that. Now, again, these next products are the ones that the annual subscription members get to go ahead and choose from. So, since I don't get to choose, they get to choose for me. So, what I ended up getting is, we've got this AG Hair Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. So that's this right here, and this is retailed at $24. I am normally not the biggest person when it comes to hair care, but I am definitely trying to do or be better about it because I do straighten, blow dry, curl my hair, and I really should be taking better care of it. So I will be using this. Next up, I've got this body oil. I don't even want to try and pronounce the name. I am going to completely butcher it. I already know. But this is a body oil, and it is retailed at $68. Now, I'm not the biggest on body oils, but summer is coming. I do want to be glowing, so I'll most likely, or I'll probably go ahead and put this to use. Next up, I received the Avene thermal spring water. So this is just like a little facial spray to go ahead and just refresh your face, your makeup, your bare skin. I love facial sprays, so definitely going to be using this. And this is actually retailed for $14. I'm definitely excited to use this, especially with summer coming up. It's definitely going to be really good to just go ahead and refresh your face. Now I also got this Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This is a lotion, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So it's supposed to help with sleep and then skin wellness. So it is a lotion, and it does say to go ahead and use it after your bath before going to bed. So we'll see how that goes. I think I'll actually go ahead and try this, and this retails for $40. And then last up, I've got these silicone straws, which I'm actually kind of excited about. I've been wanting to get some silicone straws because we're trying to not produce so much waste here in this house, and this is actually great. So it comes in a set of 4, and then it's got the brush to go ahead and clean them. And this is actually pretty cool. It comes with a little travel case. So since they are silicone, let me just take one out. You can just go ahead and bend them, place them in there, and then take it on the go with you. So I actually really like this. This is really neat. A lot of places now are doing paper straws, and I absolutely hate paper straws. Obviously, because they're getting wet, they're going to deteriorate. So this is actually so much better, and I can just go ahead and take this with me wherever I go. And then my son loves to drink from straws as well, and it just becomes a little difficult for him because he also likes to chew on the straw, and it just like really breaks down. So this is freaking awesome. These are retailed at $15. So that is everything I received in my box. I'm very happy with all of the products. As you can see, it is well over the price that I paid for the box. Just a reminder, it is $49.99 for the box. And to me, it's a freaking fantastic deal. This alone is what I paid for, and everything else was free. So honestly, you're not losing anything at all. Definitely worth it. I would definitely recommend them. Definitely check them out. And hopefully you like it as much as I do. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I feel like I was all over the place. I am so sorry. I am out of practice. I think it's been over a month since I filmed. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.